Hi everyone, welcome back. Friends, in 3 of my previous videos about composting, I have only talked about aerobic composting, which means turning your kitchen waste into compost, where in addition to nitrogen and carbon, air is also an important ingredient in the process. But many of my friends whom I motivated not to burden the landfills by discarding their kitchen waste but to turn that into compost face a few difficulties. Some are unable to handle compost water, while some others are taken aback by the maggots. If you are also one such person who doesn't want to harm the environment by adding on to the landfills but at the same time are dissuaded from doing so for some reasons, this episode is for you. Anaerobic way of composting is a perfect choice if you wish to avoid aerobic composting. In this process, you have to take a container. Here I am taking an earthen pot and you don't have to make any holes in it. The rest of the procedure will be the same. Put a layer of dry leaves at the bottom and cover it with garden soil. I have mixed some already prepared compost to the garden soil. It will hasten the breaking down of the kitchen waste. If you don't have already prepared compost, cover the leaves with simple garden soil. Upon this will go the wet waste from your kitchen and then the same procedure will be repeated. First layer dry leaves, second layer garden soil, third layer kitchen waste and then dry leaves and upon it a layer of garden soil. You can keep on repeating the same procedure until your container is filled up, the last layer being the garden soil. And then pour a little buttermilk or just 2-3 spoons of curd mixed in a little water. This will help to introduce microbes which in turn will speed up the composting process. But please don't overdo it as kitchen waste itself will produce water while breaking down, and in case everything is over wet, composting will not be possible. And now you can cover the mouth of these pots with a cloth or a polythene and tie a thread around them. You can keep a plate on the top of each pot. This plate is the same we used to keep under the pots. And then you can keep a plant on it. Look how beautiful they are looking. Even if you keep these in a corner of your balcony with pots on top, your visitors will not be able to even guess that composting process is going on here. And when you tell them about this, I am sure they'll also become volunteer to save the environment by processing their kitchen waste at home only. We let it be like this for 6 weeks and then open it. A look at it will tell us how much more time is needed for the compost to be perfect. I can assure you one thing, that by the end of 6 weeks, you will not have to worry about compost water or maggots or foul smell. So friends, utilize your Sunday, select some containers for compost making in an anaerobic way and go for it. And let the nature smile at you to say thank you for saving it in your own way. So friends, I'll come back to you after 6 weeks and let I and you all open the compost bins together and share our experiences. If you have decided to start composting, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you liked what I said and showed. If your answer is yes, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up as it will be a lot of motivation for me. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done it. Bye friends, see you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves and happy composting.